Hi, it's Kirk from iMazing. Today I'm going to show you how you can use iMazing Mini to automatically back up your iOS devices, even over Wi-Fi. You know how important it is to have a local backup of your iOS device. While you can back it up to iCloud, some data isn't backed up, and restoring a device from the cloud can take a long time. With the free iMazing Mini, you can back up all your iOS devices to your Mac or Windows PC automatically without using iTunes and protect yourself against data loss. Here's how. iMazing Mini is part of iMazing. If you haven't already done so, download and install iMazing. And you don't even need a license to use iMazing Mini. Launch iMazing and follow the instructions to connect your device if needed. If you haven't already configured automatic backups, click the Options button. Have a look at the options available. You can change the frequency and time of automatic backups, enable backup encryption, which we strongly advise, and change where backups are stored. You can also adjust how much backup history iMazing will keep. By default, 1 month of backup history will be saved. Once automatic backups are enabled, iMazing Mini will launch each time you log into your computer. This way, it can back up your devices automatically. You'll find the iMazing Mini icon in the menu bar on a Mac or in the system tray on Windows. iMazing Mini includes several useful tools. If you want to restore a backup, select your device, then click the Restore button. And if you click the I button, it opens iMazing so you can browse the selected backup. iMazing Mini can give you information about your device's battery health, and you can have iMazing Mini warn you when your battery gets low. You can also see detailed information about your device. Click the arrow button to perform other tasks on your device. You can even drag and drop files to your device in iMazing Mini using iMazing's Quick Transfer feature. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials like this one, then subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below.